Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set your Instagram feed to show you posts in a chronological order, meaning they will go from time by publishment basically. So open up your Instagram, and if you scroll down a bit you can see that there are things that pop up that aren't like from quite recently. For example, this post was from 3 days ago, as you can see right here. If I scroll a bit down, you can see this is from 2 days ago. One day ago, 14 hours ago, from 1 day ago again, from 2 hours ago, from 23 hours ago. As you can see, nothing is chronological. To set that, you just need to do the following. Click on Instagram right here and click following. Once you do that, everything that pops out will be in a chronological order. Why? Because it gives you all the posts, the moment they've been posted, and in a timeline that they've been posted. So as you can see, 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, etc, etc, etc. Everything will be in a streamlined timeline. So hope this helped. If it did, click like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.